Okay, let's look at the reports and the specifically the vehicle license report and the people counting reports that are being sent by email. So, in order to get into those settings, you have to visit the web UI. This Higg Central Control client is for daily use and for using the live view and playback. But if you want to get into settings, you got to visit the web UI. So, open that. If you go to bookmarks, it's this one right here. Now it'll take you to the web UI. And right now I'm logged in. But when you first visit the page, it might look like this. You just got to type in staff management 2024 exclamation. I'll take you to this page. And let's look at, first we'll look at the email settings. So if you go here, you go to system, and you go to email, you'll see here email settings. You'll see this address here. When the emails are being sent to, let's say management, it's going to be coming from this address and it's going to be sending reports from this address. I'll show you what that looks like. This is the scheduled report template. So get this out the way. So right now we have a template that we use for sending reports, and right now it's being sent to me. And this is the subject, Roland Heights Daily Report. And this is where you would make, let's say, you want to add an email, you want to add it to management or something. You would add it here. You would add their email, what you want the subject to say, and what kind of information you want to include in the subject, and then you would just add it. So let's look at the one we have set up already. So here's this, here's the company account, the subject, and I just have all these clicked off. I also have the event and alarm email template, so any alarms will be sent to this as well. So first let's go to people counting. If you go to intelligent analysis, and right now I have two reports. We have the 99 marketplace, that's for all the registers, and then we have mall entrances. We have two reports, and it's measuring it from today to yesterday. We wanted to edit what the report shows, and this is just the home page dashboard of the report and how we have it set up. If you wanted to edit it, you would go here, edit, and then you can change. Maybe you want a week, yearly, or monthly. You would do that here. But for now, I want to look at, you go to analysis group, and you go to scheduled report. We have two reports set up. You have the 99 marketplace register count and the mall entrance. If you wanted to add another report, you could do it here. But let's just look at the one we're sending for mall entrance. So we have the report name. We're doing people counting analysis. The report contains content, and we pick the cameras that we want the content from. So you go people counting, and we're grabbing the data from South Mall door, left and right, and East Mall door. We're calculating it by hour. We're reporting the previous day's data in the email, and we're sending it every day here. And we're sending it at 6 a.m. And this is the effective period for when you want the report sent. Send via email. We choose the template. So if you had other templates, you'd pick it there. So it should be the same thing for the 99 marketplace. Yeah, so for here, we just choose For report content, we choose the cameras that we want data for. So for these ones, we want those register cameras. So that's why those are clicked off here. And let me just look at my emails since I should be getting those reports. Right, so you'll see here that from that address from before, and it's sending me, that's the subject. Those things I clicked off are showing up here. So it sends an Excel file. Let's look at the people counting one. So in the report, it shows it by hour. It shows you if you look right here, people counting in. These are how many people are coming in here. As opposed to yesterday, that's these values. And this is just the change rate per hour. You can see that graph here. It also shows you the rankings. So if you want to see which register was getting the most people, you could look here and you could see register 1 is getting 2,130 people coming in, which makes sense. That's the register that on the left-hand side that most people are coming in. So that's why that has the highest value. Look at the report here. People counting pass by, the walk-in rate, and then people out. Most of the time you're going to be looking at the counting in though. Same thing with the the mall entrance has the same layout. We can see here that the east mall door left has the most people coming in for today or for yesterday, since it's reporting yesterday's stuff. If you go to ANPR, that's the automatic number plate recognition. That's for the vehicle license. We also have a scheduled report for that as well, and that's sending a daily report. Again, here for report content, you got to pick which cameras you're using. We're using all those vehicle cameras. So we should have 5 cameras. We're sending the previous day's data. We're sending it every day. I'm sending these at 11 p.m. I go here, I look at here. This is for the licenses. This is a pretty large report, but it has the license plate, the time, the camera. If it picked it up, it'll have the brand and the vehicle for the entire day for yesterday.